Hi, have you done the project on number of factors? Let us go through the project report of Ryan. Preface. What is written in the preface? In the fourth unit of Standard 7 Mathematics, repeated multiplication, number of factors of natural number is to be found out. Through this project, an easy method of finding it out is revealed. Some examples were taken and wrote them as power of prime numbers. Also found out all the factors. Experienced the thrill of discovering the relationship between the exponents of prime number, exponential form, and the number of factors. Mathematics is a magic box. Those who explore it will be attracted by it. Aim is written and methodology is also written. Factors and the number of factors. The first one taken is 11. 11 is a prime number. Factors of 11 are 1 and 11. Only two factors. And the number of factors of 11 is 2. The next one is 25. 25 is also written as product of prime numbers. 5 into 5 is 5 square. The number of factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 5 square. The number of factors of 5 square is 3. Number is here the exponent is 2 and the number of factors is 3. 27 is also written as power of a prime number 3. 3 cube. 27 is equal to 3 cube. And the factors are 1, 3. 3 square is 9. So 1, 3, 9 and 27. The number of factors of 3 cube is 4. Here the exponent is 3 and the number of factors is 4. And 64. 64 we can write it as 8 into 8. 8 is 2 cube. 2 cube into 2 cube. So that is equal to 2 power 6. Or otherwise you can factorize 64 and you will get 64 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 raised to 6. So the factors we can list as power of 2 itself. So it is 1, 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 6. Then the number of factors of 2 raised to 6 is 1 more than the exponent. Now considering he has considered 72. 72 we can write it as 8 into 9. 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 and 9 is 3 into 3. So this is 2 cube into 3 square. Factors of 72 are, we can list the factors. At first written the factor 1. 1 is a factor of any number. So 1 is written first. Then 2 cubed is here. So 2 is a factor. 2 square and 2 cube are factors. And here 3 square. So 1 is already written. So we have to write 1, 3, 3 square. Okay. So 3 is a factor and multiplying with 2, 3 into 2. And multiplying like this, we can list the factors in an order. Then here also 3 square into 2. Then 3 square into 2 square. Then 3 square into 2 cube. And how many factors are there? Here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 1, 2, 3. 4 into 3, 12 factors are there. That is, here the power is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And here the power is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12 is the number of factors. 48. 48 also can be written as 16 into 3. 16 means 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 into 3. Factors of 48 are here also written in an order. 1, Here first one is 2 raised to 4. So here 1, 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 raised to 4. And here 3. 1 and 3 are the factors. So 1 into 3 is 3. So again multiplying by 3 each and every factor, we will get the number of factors is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 into 1 plus 1 is 2. 5 into 2 is 10. So there is an easy way of finding out the number of factors. In 75 also, we have to write it as a product of prime numbers. 9 into 5, we must not stop there. Here we have to write 3 square into 5 itself. Then only this will be true. 3 square into 5. The number of factors is equal to 6. Here also we must not stop here. 21 into 5. 21 is not a prime number. We have to make 21 as product of prime numbers. That is 3 into 7 into 5. So the number of factors is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Here the exponents are 1, 1, 1. Adding 1 to each exponent. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here again 2. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. That is the relation between the number of factors and the power of prime numbers. That is written in this chart. Here see, for any number n, if n can be written as x power p into y power q, product of prime numbers, product of powers of prime numbers, where p and q are the exponents, then the number of factors will be p plus 1 into q plus 1. Okay. Then what is written last? Inference. To find the number of factors of a natural number, it is not necessary to find out all the factors. If a number can be written as a power of a single prime number, the number of factors of it is 1 more than the exponent. Otherwise, the number can be written as the product of power of prime numbers. Add 1 to each exponent. Find the product. That would be the number of factors. Such shortcuts make mathematics simple. Okay, now answer this question. Find the number of factors of 49. 6 raised to 4 into 5. 3 power 2021. 8 power 3 into 2 raised to 4 into 3 cube. You can write that. Of the factors of 6 power 5 into 10 power 4 into 48 cube, which power of 2 is the largest? You can make this as product of prime numbers and you can find out the answer. 1024 has 11 factors. Write the number of factors of 1024 square. Find it out yourself. Bye.